Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to guide you to how to download and install Amazon Prime Video. So Amazon Prime Video offers a growing library of quality, original content, and a decent collection of movies and TV shows to stream. Subscribers also have the options to download content for offline viewing and even watch for the title. So trust me guys, it's amazing. So to enter in the world of Amazon Prime, let's learn how to install it first. To learn how to keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, notification bell item, so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now to download or install Amazon Prime, first of all click on Play Store. Now, type Amazon Prime Video on the search box. Now tap on the install button, which is on the top right corner. Now the process has begun and just wait for it to get installed. So the Prime Video application has already been installed. Now all you need to do is tap and open and enjoy your Prime Video as per you like. So this is how you can easily install Amazon Prime. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. Also be back with more tutorials like this. Goodbye till